So we're at the Brazos River, and there's like 20 dead fish around. There's a big old guy down there. There's more you can't really see. And then over here,
keep on walking there.
Yeah, go farther real quick. I don't know if the water has something bad in it or what, but there's a lot of dead fish. Another one right there. Right over there. Is that a bass or? I think that's a bass. It's really white. Yeah. 1 pound something bass. All those guys. Lots of drum. Other fish. I don't know why there's so many dead fish. There's another one floating way down there. And a couple more on the side over there. There's fish jumping though. At least. Oh, there's this algae, Matt. What is this?
They said the Brazos River Authority said a large number of fish died in the Brazos River after floodgates were closed at Lake Granbury following months of heavy rains. The BRS said in a release that the floodgates were closed after months of water releases brought on by all the rain during spring. So it's just...
Yeah. So like, what's that cause though? Just because the gates are closed, or?
Yeah.
Really? They need to open the gates back open. Bro, there's so many more out there.
This was in 2019.
There's so many more.
Yeah,
there's some big ones out there too. There's one right there, and like I could see 7 more out there.
Look downstream. Look, you can see some on the. Oh, down there, it's really good.
Oh yeah, on the banks. Yeah, look over there. There's like 7 big ones around there.
Well, damn, look at this.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to zoom in there. Yeah. Let's try. I mean, I saw a fish jumping, so.
You did?
Yeah.
That's good. Maybe not all of them are dead.
What is that stuff? Scales?
Hopefully it's not golden algae. I'm probably not gonna keep any of the catfish we catch today.
Yeah, I'm not keeping any. If we catch any. If there's any out here. Alright, so we're at the spot. Still dead fish. There's a big fish right here though.
We're adding more dead fish.
Yeah, we're adding more dead fish. There's dead gars everywhere too.
But I mean, we've seen a couple live.
Yeah, there's still live fish here.
We're thinking they might
We're
be
thinking,
from downstream.
Yeah, they're either floating from upstream because they close like the gates or something like that. But I'm using a bluegill on this. Matt's using a shad on this. Yeah, I saw my. I don't know. I saw my line move too. We might be getting hits already. But I'm about to cut up a shad, a cut bait, so I can't have the camera on for that. So see y'all in the next one. There. Okay, guys, you ready? Best cast in history. Perfect. Perfect. That was amazing. I'm not perfect. I should retire now. I'm too good.
I was about to retire that raw. You see fucking ball.
For real.
Literally easy.
Really?
Yeah, look.
How you're thinking, Ma?
Yeah. Dude, this is easy, my PB.
I wasn't even recording.
Oh, gotcha. Hooked him right at the top of his mouth.
Matt just got a big old.
Well, looks like I win.
Hey, shut up.
Dude,
Oh.
that is easily my PB.
Oh.
Nice.
Did you get a bite too?
Yeah.
Might have been the win then, because mine did too. Wow. Look at that boy.
I wish there wasn't so many dead fish.
Big old
I'd
guy.
keep them.
Show the camera. Goddamn.
Dude, he's actually really...
That's a really good one. Like, I don't fucking know how to measure that bitch. Get your measuring thing.
I can't see, my phone's too dark.
Well, we got a fish, finally. I'm about to catch another one. Watch and learn. No, I'm just kidding.
That's the one thing
you cast it like twice now, and I've been casting right there this whole time. I mean, I did get a bite, and that's probably the one. You probably stole my fish. So I had a big bite right there too. No worry, I'm gonna catch a big one now. I ain't even jealous. No, just kidding. What? Really? I think it's tiny. Got bigger.
A white bass?
That's not a white bass, is it?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. 100,000% white bass.
How's the thumb look? In the mouth. Bottom. Your hand so?
Oh, its tongue's tiny.
Hmm.
But yeah, 100,000% white bass. This ain't no striper, that's for sure.
Not a striper. Isn't it a hybrid? Oh, I just fucking missed the fish too.
Even if it was, it still might be weak.
I just missed one, Matt.
Yeah.
God damn it.
That was cool.
Shit. I barely cast that one over. Really? That's all? No, you kidding?
Fat boy.
How much do you weigh?
Bad to see.
I need to record this, but I kind of want to fish.
Oh, look how I caught him, David. Look.
I just hooked into my thing and thought I had a fish. I hooked into my jacket and thought I fucking had a fish. It felt like it could. That's the spot.
It doesn't want to say. I don't think my skills are good enough. He's easily over a pound though.
Yeah.
I'll pull him real quick. Ready?
Yeah, he's
Easily
like 2
over
pounds.
a pound, yeah.
Oh, he's fat too, bro.
Yeah. Alright, here with you. I'm over him. I'm up a pee.
You wanna release him in the water? Like the camera? Underwater camera?
If you want.
Actually, that's really dirty. I don't think it's gonna work.
Yeah, it's gotta die. Oh, it's covered in mud. You can't
Watch
fucking
this.
see. Oh wait, let me see if I can angle it towards this one.
Oh yeah, he looks fucked.
Yeah, he looks like he's half like an
Ooh.
Yeah, he can't see. Go very, put it very slowly in the water. Put it very slowly. Very slowly, very slowly. Pull him over more. Now. Pull him up.
He's good. We can get the mud off his eyes though so he can see. I think he's just got mud on his eyes. Or he's blind. Oh no, yeah, he's blind. Yeah. Yeah, he's fucked.
Yeah, he's about to die, look. Is this algae? Is this what golden algae does?
No, I think that's just mud.
No, that's algae.
Really?
Yeah, look. Gotta be.
Pretty sure that's just the mud in this water. Bro, get your mouth on my net.
Should I take him up on? Oh, he's bleeding.
Yeah. He
Let's
opened
put
his
him out of
mouth.
his misery.
Should we?
Yeah, he's blind.
Yeah, he can't see. Alright guys, we're gonna have to put this guy out of his misery. He can't see at all.
He's just gonna slowly die.
Yeah, you can see him open his mouth. They never do that.
Yeah. Well, I mean, look at all his teeth though. There's one scary guy. He's got like 2 extra rows of teeth.
I think just touched his teeth.
Holy cow, something. Yeah, I was about to be like,
Yeah, use some scissors. Hey, take out my net.
oh. He is. Hey, wait, grab him. Use your net.
It's okay.
Or just get bit. I forgot you like to get bit.
Heck yeah.
Sir.
I got him. I don't want him to climb the net. No, he's gonna bite the net now. Like baby gar there.
Alright.
Ugh. Color my hands. Ugh. Ow.
Oh,
Yeah, when we get home we can search what golden algae looks like, so we can, or what it does too. Alright.
Big rock in the bone.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna have to kill him because he can't see and he won't be able to survive like that. Please don't hate us.
But he's gonna die anyways. Look all
Yeah,
the
he's
blood.
about to die anyways. He's really bloody.
He's bleeding out of every.
I probably
pore.
shouldn't show it.
Look, dude, look, no, look, he is all blood. Look, I wonder if he got in a fight.
Yeah.
Because look, he is all blood no matter where you look for blood. Oh, dude, you hear that? That's out of his gills.
I probably can't show this on YouTube. Because of the blood. But,
People do catch and fish.
yeah, but they don't usually show the blood though.
Viewer discretion is advised.
Yes. At the warning. I just put a warning at the front of the beginning of the video.
Yeah. Probably don't show us cutting off its head though.
We're not, I'm not showing that at all.
Yeah.
I didn't even show the gizzards or whatever cut off their head. We're cutting them up for bait. Yeah, we're gonna put him out of his misery real quick.
Yeah. That's the bass.
With the bass?
Oh
Oh, no.
Wow. You just screamed.
Yeah.
Thought he was the bass.
I'm gonna go cast over here.
Alright, this is a 100% white bass. Ah, he almost made
How's he look?
himself in the balls. I think.
Yeah, I think that's a white bass.
Yeah.
There's that one stripe going to the back, I think. That's how those are.
How do you feel about that?
Watch me, I'm gonna catch one too.
The only thing that confuses me on them is the stripes. And then they talk about that tongue catch thing, and it used to work, but nowadays everything's the same. They all have that weird tongue catch. Oh, you got.
He's not catching all the fish.
No, he might be a yellow. Look how yellow this dude is. Let me clean him off. Yeah, show the camera real quick.
It's so dirty.
Yeah, so we have photo evidence.
Yeah, in case he took off.
Unless it gets out. They're fat though, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Clean now. He has one clean side. What do you
Yeah.
think? Kind of looks like a yellow. Oh no.
I haven't really looked into the yellows, but I think we're gonna call it a day then. It's about to be 7:30.
What time is it?
It's 7:07 or something like that. But yeah, we got a little bit of time. We're gonna hopefully try. I almost forgot more. I didn't catch anything. I suck. I caught bluegills at it somewhere else. That was for the bait.
Cast net.
Yeah, with the cast net and a 3-pound bass though, with the cast net. So. Should have just went to fire his.
And
When it
maybe
catch-
because of this runny nose, maybe nature was feeling bad for me.
My nose is runny too though.
Yeah, but mine's just
Not
dripping
bad.
out.
Yeah, we didn't. No catfish though. Just saw
Got 2 bites and that was it.
wiper, right?
No viper.
Yeah,
White
4
bass.
wiper from Matt. None. I hooked into like 3, and then one of them I was trying to fucking reel it up and turn the camera on at the same time, but it lost slack or whatever and got off. Sadly. So yeah, this is probably the end of the video. So I'll see you on the next one.